In this tutorial, we'll learn what a domain name is and why it's essential for building your online presence. We'll start with a simple overview of how domain names work and how they connect users to websites on the internet. Then, we'll explore the different types of domain names, including common extensions like .com, .net, and niche-specific options, along with how to choose the right one for your needs. Some popular domain platforms include GoDaddy, known for its large selection and hosting services, Cloudflare, offering fast and secure DNS management, Namecheap, popular for affordability and ease of use, Hostinger, which provides both domain registration and many other web hosting providers that let you register domains directly, making it easy to connect your site. Porkbun, praised for low prices and simplicity, and web hosting with user-friendly tools. Let's take a look at GoDaddy. First, go to the GoDaddy website and use the search bar to enter the domain name you want. The platform will immediately show whether your chosen name is available. If it is, you'll see options to purchase it, including different extensions like .com, .net, or .org, along with pricing and additional features such as privacy protection or hosting bundles. This makes it easy to select and buy a domain that fits your website. Let's look at Cloudflare. Go to the Cloudflare website and navigate to the Domains section. Enter the domain name you want in the search bar, and Cloudflare will check its availability. If the domain is available, you can purchase it directly through Cloudflare, which also provides fast DNS management and security features like DDoS protection. This makes it easy to register a domain and connect it to your website with enhanced performance and reliability. Next, let's look at Hostinger. Go to the Hostinger website and enter the domain name you want in their domain search tool. Hostinger will show if the domain is available and provide different options for purchase, including various extensions like .com, .net, or online. In addition to domain registration, Hostinger also offers web hosting, making it simple to connect your domain to a website and manage everything from one platform. Next, let's explore Namecheap. Visit the Namecheap website and use their search bar to enter the domain name you want. Namecheap will check availability and show you different options, including popular extensions like .com, .net, or .org. You can purchase the domain directly, often with affordable pricing and additional features. Finally, let's look at Porkbun. Go to the Porkbun website and enter your desired domain name in the search bar. Porkbun will check if it's available and display options with various extensions like .com, .net, or .io. Known for low prices and a simple interface, Porkbun makes it easy to purchase a domain and manage DNS settings, helping you quickly connect your domain to a website. You have explored some of the most popular domain platforms, GoDaddy, Cloudflare, Hostinger, Namecheap, and Porkbun, and learned how to search for, purchase, and manage a domain. With this knowledge, you can now choose a domain, connect it to your web hosting, and make your website accessible to the world. Once you've explored domain names, the next step is to choose and register the right one. Select a domain that includes relevant keywords, aligns with your niche, and helps improve your website's visibility online. Keep it short, easy to spell, and memorable so users can find and return to your site without confusion. Avoid numbers and hyphens where possible, and choose a trusted domain extension like .com, .net, or a niche-specific option that fits your brand. Once you've made your decision, register your domain through a reliable provider, secure it with privacy protection, and connect it to your web hosting to bring your website to life.